Hey there! Are you ready to take your trading game to the next level? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a powerful trading strategy that involves some key indicators. So head over to the TradingView website or platform and let's get it started. First things first, go to the indicators section and search for Purple Cloud. Add this indicator to your trading setup. Trust me, it's going to make a big difference. Now let's dive into the step-by-step adjustments for this indicator. Just follow along with the video and you'll be good to go. These tweaks will supercharge your indicator, giving you two types of signals to work with. When you spot an S signal above a candle, that's your cue to consider a potential sell. Conversely, if you see a B signal below the candle, it indicates potential buy opportunity. This indicator is great for precise signals, but remember, in certain market conditions, it's important to have some filters in place. That's where two other free indicators come into play. The EMA difference histogram and the stochastic indicator is the first one. Once you've added it to the chart, it's time to fine-tune it as shown in the video. Now let's talk about those destiny colors, green and red. They appear above and below zero line. When you see a green bar above the zero line, guess what? It could confirm a buy signal. Conversely, if a red bar shows up below the zero line, it might confirm a sell signal, just like the example here. Hey folks, if you like the video until the moment or the content that I'm creating on a daily basis, all I'm asking in return is just 2 seconds of your precious time to like the video, because by doing that, the YouTube algorithm is going to show my video to more people and traders like you who are keen to know all about this unknown world of trading, especially about technical analysis. Oh, and hey, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on, because firstly, you're going to be informed when I'm uploading a new video, which I'm doing on a daily basis. Secondly, I have lots of surprises and good things to happen coming up, especially some amazing giveaways coming up soon. So if you wanted to be informed about those, make sure that you're subscribed. But here's the thing. If you see a red histogram below the zero line when you're expecting a buy signal, be cautious. It's a signal that the market conditions might not be in your favor for a buy. This approach can save you from unnecessary losses. Now let's bring the smooth moving average indicator, or as you know it, the well-known SMA. Before we dive in, we'll need to adjust its setting to align with our strategy. This indicator draws a line that helps us gauge the market trend. If the market is above this indicator line, it suggests an uptrend with strong momentum. On the other hand, if it's below the line, you're looking at the downward trend. So, when you're putting all these pieces together, there are 3 key factors to check before making a trade entry. Let's break it down for initiating a buy position. Before that, it really matters that which cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it, or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it. I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. Alright, back to trading. First, you need the initial trigger buy signal. Then ensure that the price is positioned above the smooth moving average, indicating a strong upward trend. Lastly, check the histogram. It should be green and above the zero line. Only when all three of these conditions align, the buy signal is confirmed, and you're ready to open a buy position. For the next step, set your stop loss just beneath the most recent swing low. This will help protect your capital in case the trade goes south. And when it's time to exit the trade, consider using a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Or you can just watch the video until the end, because I have a surprise for you and I'm going to show you how to increase your profit factor way more than that. Now let's talk about initiating a sell position. Start with the initial trigger sell signal. Then ensure that the price is positioned below the smooth moving average, indicating a significant downward trend. Check the histogram. It should be red and below the zero line. Again, only when all three of these conditions come together, the sell signal is confirmed and you're set to open a sell position. For the next step, place your stop loss just above the most recent swing high. This strategy helps limit potential losses. And when it comes to exiting the trade, consider using a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 again. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it. You will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and again, I will have some really nice surprises soon coming up in Income Nomad. So make sure to turn the notification bell on and you're going to be informed when I'm going to reveal them. I promise you're going to like them. Till next time, bye-bye.